Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Laravel. So in the previous video, I explained you about how to subscribe to the newsletter via the email. Now we are going to add the first name and the last name at the same time. You can see that in the previous video, we have just added this email letter because generally we have the email subscription on the base of the email only. So if you have a requirement like the first name and the last name, you want to gather from your website or set into your MailChimp account. So how we are going to do it? So in this video, we are going to learn how to send the first name, last name at the same time also. Okay. So let's see how we are going to do that. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. It's very easy and very simple. Just we have to pass the two arguments over here, like two values, and it will set your first name and the last name, right? So let's have a look. So here we go with this one. Just going to use replace this one by my another function that is called newsletter subscribe. So here you can add any of the name, and this is the first name and the last name. Okay, I'm going to just use this one, and let's see the first name and the last name is coming out or not. Let's reload this one and check where we have this one. Reload, you have to go import, sorry, import export view. Here I'm going to add anything. We can go for the anyone, right? And let's add it because the email is different that I have used. Okay, let's see in our subscriber list, so it should be there. So you can see that rains and the wind, first name and the last name, with the help of just this first name, last name. Okay, so this is how you can send the first name, last name very easily and save that in your MailChimp account. Any query, any doubt in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.